Hey guys, what's going on? Today I had to run a few errands in town, so I'm at a car wash. I'm going to strip off what little paint there is on the valve cover so I can repaint it this afternoon. And hopefully within the next 2 weeks, I'll have more than enough time to start putting the head together because we've got the head studs, we've got the head work done, we've got the gaskets, we've got everything to start slapping this engine back together, and I'm really excited about it. So, if you've never done this before, come along with me as I have never done this before. So let's work it out. Alright, so this stuff is supposed to work really fast. It's aircraft paint remover. It costs about $12. As you can see, there's not a ton of paint, but there's just some grit and grime and stuff. I'm going to spray all that off with a pressure washer, but I want to get that paint off because I'm going to do a nice flat black paint job on it. So here goes nothing. Oh, shake it off. Alright. Just see if that helps loosen up any of that grease, dirt, whatever. Now, I could have had this media blasted, but that cost more than $12. Alright. So I'm going to set this up on time lapse, and we'll see how this looks in a few minutes. So that was about as much fun as the opposite of watching paint dry. But now that stuff should work. Let's spray it off and see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, there was actually some paint on the sides here, and that wasn't just bare aluminum. I thought it was. Was wrong. It's happened like once or twice. So we're going to give it one more round of that spray and then knock it all off. Okay, now that we have it all cleaned off and I've got somebody to hold the camera, you can say hi.
Hey!
Anyway, we're going to put the first coat on. This is VHT Wrinkle Plus. It's high heat paint made for that sort of thing. And you're supposed to put on a layer, then wait 5 minutes, put on another layer, wait 5 minutes, put on another layer. So here's layer 1. Address the fact that I'm wearing Crocs. What have I become? Okay, now I gotta wait 5 minutes. I made a little bit of a mistake. What you're supposed to do on the first pass is go this way, horizontally. Alright, the next pass, you're supposed to go vertically. And then the last pass, you're supposed to go horizontally so it gets an even pattern. So I think I'm just going to do the horizontal pattern next, and let's see how it goes. Because it's going to take 2 hours to completely air dry. And I'm about to do the third and final pass. But, you know, this should go without saying. Make sure to read directions thoroughly. Don't just skim unless you're an idiot like me. Valve cover is officially painted, and now we have to wait 2 hours for it to air dry, and we'll see that beautiful wrinkle finish, I hope. I really hope that doing things a little differently than the instructions said doesn't mess it up too much, but we'll find out. And worst case scenario, I'll just strip it and repaint it. It's really not that hard. So yeah, We'll see how it looks. And if you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, when you go to paint your valve cover or whatever, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and subscribe. Very soon we should be able to start putting parts back together on Vanilla Rice, my 1991 Eclipse GSX project car. And I'm really looking forward to that. So over the next couple of weeks, we're going to have a lot of videos dealing with that, because we've got the head done, we've got the valve cover done, we've got the gaskets, we've got everything ready. We just have to put it on. We've got the shocks and struts taken off, and had the springs taken off and changed. I mean, really, we should have it running this summer, and I'm really excited about that. So, like I said, guys, we'll see what it looks like in 2 hours, but this is going to be it for me. I'll see you guys very soon in the next video working on Vanilla Rice. Have a good one.